making our little gingerbread now. Men. We did not get a gingerbread woman cutter. We only got gingerbread men cutters. But I suppose we could designate gender by our decorations.
Yeah, put a bow on it. It's a lady.
This little guy, make sure you space them appropriate so that we can get them all on there. He's much thinner than the rest. Wow. You can rotate around. That helps you get the thickness done right. Well, y'all don't judge my baking pans. They're only like 40 years old, okay? They are what they are. So we have cut out our shapes. We have Christmas trees, gingerbread men, little houses. We have, what are those? Oh yeah, the presents, little candies. Well, they look funny upside down.
The presents don't really look like anything.
Gingerbread men now. Got to clean off some flour here and there. We'll be okay. And so we baked these at 350. Now the recipe, I got it out of this old cookbook. It's a heritage cookbook. It's Better Homes and Gardens. My friend TJ gave me this book a long time ago, and I've had it 20 years. So it's the gingerbread men recipe. Right there. Here's a little tip. Instead of doing the cloves and the cinnamon and all that, you can also just put Chinese spice in there. It's really good.
You can't control the amounts of the stuff that goes in
there
when you do that, though.
But I have used it, and I like it in my pumpkin pie as well.
I've made enough both. Yeah.
So we're rolling out the final little bit. So this recipe is 2 cups of brown sugar, if you didn't get to see it, and 1.5 cups of butter softened, 1 egg. And of course it's a cookie, so you cream your brown sugar and your butter. Then you add in your egg.
The little knocker on the bell doesn't look like much of anything.
Then you are going to mix up your flour, cinnamon, and your spices and your baking soda. You're going to mix the dry stuff all together. It's 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Or, like I said, just leave out all those herbs, spices, and just put in your Chinese spice. Anyway, so after you've mixed your dry separate from your wet, you're going to add your dry to your wet. Or add your,
we need another cookie.
Add your dry to your wet. You're going to mix well, cover, and you chill the dough about 2 hours. We just chilled it overnight and dealt with it when we felt like it. So that's a good hint too. You could probably make this dough, wrap it up real nice and in a roll, stick it in the freezer.
I've done that.
So yeah. There is our gingerbread man recipe and the cookies. And later I'll make a short of the finished iced cookies. Peace, guys.